friend, Ben Ochart here. Thank you so much for tuning in. So let's go ahead and give away this algae scrubber. And I thank Santa Monica Filtration for donating this algae scrubber to give away. And for those of you who don't know what an algae scrubber is, it is something, the HOG series, the Hang on Glass series, are the ones that they simply take the nutrients out of the water that algae needs, such as nitrates, which we're all trying to keep under control. So it takes nitrates and uses those nitrates to help grow algae. And that algae can then be harvested. You can feed it to your plecos, or you can just go ahead and service your algae scrubber every week and just remove the algae and let it continue to add oxygen to your water and reduce nitrates. So I have an algae scrubber in the tank behind me, and I have one in the 100-gallon, the one with the black substrate, and I believe it is helping to keep those nitrates reduced. So without further ado, I want to go ahead and thank those of you who submitted a video. And what I did is I spared no expense in making sure that that we used the highest tech available, the highest technology available to us for carrying off this drawing. So I used a hat randomizer. This, of course, is one of my favorite hats. You've seen it in many of my videos. And what I've done is those that got into the drawing, I have put their names in this hat. As you can see here, these are all different names. And I'm going to go ahead and draw the name and announce the winner. And the winner should contact me, and we will arrange to get that over. I don't want to be looking. Let's go ahead. This is a $150 algae scrubber I'm going to be sending out here. So let's see who won this algae scrubber. Tamir Minashi. Tamir, congratulations, my friend. You won yourself a $150 algae scrubber from Santa Monica Filtration. And let me know where you would like me to ship it. Get some good use out of it. Certainly contact me if you'd like some tips on how to use it. And also, simply by Googling Santa Monica Filtration or algae scrubber, you'll find a tremendous amount of information on the web on how to get the most out of these algae scrubbers. So this is the box you'll be getting, my friend, and it's in here. And I've never even opened it. It was just sent to me directly from Santa Monica Filtration. So if it's not in there, contact Santa Monica Filtration. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's in there. At any rate, that's all I've got for you today. And enjoy your weekend, my friends. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. It is appreciated and certainly seen. And all my fish are doing well. You can see the ones behind me are continuing to thrive in the 150. And I have moved the fish I picked up from Josh Cunningham over at Cunningham Cichlids. That beautiful EXO has been moved from quarantine and into the 100. I'll put a little video here. You can see he's a beautiful fish. Very excited about that guy. And otherwise, things are pretty much the same.